After back and forth submissions from both the prosecution and defense teams at the High Court over errors in the indictment of Kizza Besigye and co-accused Haj Obedlo Tale, together with Captain Dennis Ola, who are battling treason charges, the accused finally had their charges read in an amended indictment.
In count 1, treason, contrary to section 23, 1C of the Penal Code Acts, cap 1 to 8.
In response, Dr. Kizza Besigye said he's horrified and tired of repeatedly being charged with treason. He opted not to take plea without guidance from his lawyers, and court recorded a not guilty plea.
How do you want me to plea when you have cut out the possibility of having the highly needed advice of my lawyers as granted by the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda and by law?
I would allow you to say something, but let me know your position on this. If you are not pleading, so tell me that you are not pleading.
I'm not in a position to plead without advice.
It's okay.
Simply not possible. I don't know how many times I've been chatting with the treason.
I am saying
treason that never departs.
Doctor,
so I'm fed up with this persecution.
I am using section 63 and I have saying free of not guilty under section 63.
His co-accused also opted not to take plea. Earlier on, court ordered the Director of Public Prosecutions to amend its then defective indictment to reflect the true particulars of the accused. However, the defense team led by lawyer Arias Lukwago contended that the amended indictment still had errors that had to be corrected.
My Lord, the summary of the case that has been served by the state does not contain the particulars of the person in capacity of A3. The indictment talks of another person who in my submission is A3, but the summary of the case talks of another person.
Not to be magnanimous enough to say, okay, fine. It would be an oversight on their part. Is there reasonable notice where the the religious notifies the accused persons that, look, today at 12:30 you are going to be tried?
Justice Baguma, after submissions from both sides, ordered for the errors to be corrected. According to the amended indictment, which includes 2 counts of misprision of treason, the accused allegedly held meetings in several countries, including Switzerland, Greece, and Kenya, to overthrow the government of Uganda by force. Prosecution further alleges that Dr. Besigye solicited and received $5,000 to facilitate the travel of 36 people from Uganda to Kisumu, Kenya, where they were to receive training linked to the alleged plot. Justice Baguma has adjourned the case until 21st January 2026, when the matter shall come up for mentioning. Juliet Nalwooga, NTV.